Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today will be taking you one-on-one on how to buy a gig on Fiverr. You can see this is fiverr.com. So this is our profile where we can get Brian96, who is an online lawyer. So what we'll first do, we'll first switch to selling. We'll switch to buying. So this is the profile that you'll get. We'll come here in Fiverr and we find services. We'll come here and type we need the type of service that we want to buy. We need to buy animated 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 explainers videos. We can see it here. So at that we'll be able to see the results for the animated. We can see subscription for new. Okay, we'll see it is telling us that we need what we need to do is we need to select the category white animated explainers. We can be able to select the category that we want. We can be able to select the online sellers. We can be able to the once we select the essence of these ones is to put filters. We can be able to say that we need the pro services. These are the experts, the pro services alone, and we'll be able to see I'll create a 2D explainer at $5. I'll create a 2D explainer at this. We'll be able to click. Then we'll be able to see the explainer we are selling market insurance. You can see this is suitable. But for my case, I came here and I selected somebody else who staff were we better. So I'll come here and I'll come here to my video inbox. There's somebody who already had sent me an offer. It was Wasim Yanis. You can see it tells me okay, place the order. So he had his studies were I'll create animated explainer videos, and he told me I had asked him, do you have samples of any animated? He had shared me a link. Let me see some of these works. I'll create animated explainer videos. Let us see maybe like one of the way it is. I can see this is exactly what I wanted done. Yes, I can see he has very good tools of creating very creative videos. So this is what I really required. So we'll continue. We'll proceed and say that I'll create unlimited explainer videos. We'll come here and say that we need to. I'll pick the package that he had already sent me. He had already sent me a package that I was to buy the offer. I can see I'll be able to say continue picking the offer. Then it tells me my available balance is a personal balance of $2. I'll click this. Here charge me $17. If I have a promo code, I'll be able to put here. If I have a service charge, will be $2.94, so totaling to 19.4. Total delivery, I'll say confirm and pay. Once I say confirm and pay, I'll say just in seconds we are working on the details, and you see thank you for the purchase. Submit requirements to start the order. I can all that I will be able to do. I'll be able to come here back to my video, and I can see him. They are chatting with me. So what I'll do, I'll come to our message, and all that I'll be able to send him is that I'm told that I should complete one last step. One last step to get the order started. Submit the requirements. The order requirements. The order requirements were they were supposed to send me to. They were supposed to. I'm only supposed to send them the explainer, the explainer, my explainer. So I'll come here and put the order details, submit the requirement to start the order. The seller needs the phone information to start the order. write the brief instructions about what you want. This is the transcript that I want. I'll paste it here. I'll say that I need a animated video explainer. That is it. I need I need an animated video explainer. Those are the instructions that I need. Those are my, please read the instructions of the video. You can see that I have an experience in drafting and reviewing from scratch Rico and help this. These are that is my explainer. It tells me it should be 250 words, but I can see it is exceeding, so I need to reduce them so that it will be able to go through. It tells me I'll be able to. I can see there are 250 words and they need to be. They are okay. It tells me attach your business logo. I don't have a business logo. And do you have any male? Do you want a male or a female voiceover? Write. Please write to the accent you want. I need a male. I need the accent that I want is American. American British, American English. I need American English. American English accent. So what I'll do is they tell me, please read the following and below and agree. A computerized voiceover record with paid software that sounds close to a human being is included in the package. If you need to a real human, then please buy the gig. Script changes are not part of the revision. If you change the script after delivery, then you have to pay extra. So I say I agree. The information provided is accurate and complete. It changes require the seller's approval and may be subject to addition cost. Yes. So you can see that that we can see I have an experience in drafting, review and writing scratch legal documents that bound 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 to parties. This you can see it's okay. So all that we'll do, we'll say start the order. Once we start the order, I'm sure since I had my, you see my balance has changed now, it's 20.6. I have paid 19.94 a total to Wasin Young. Your order is now in work. We notified about the order and we should be able to receive it in 3 days span. I'll be waiting and see what they will deliver best to me. And if you need to chat with the client, this is where you'll be chatting. I can say hello Wasim. Hello Wasim, I'll be able to send and they'll be able to respond and I'll be able to see them. So our tutorial today was on how to buy a Fiverr gig, and I've taken you one-on-one how to buy one. We can see the details. I will create this is the offer that the client made me. I'll create an animated video explainer video. It is 1 minute video, and the item that will be taking 3 days. So the requirements I've added as said. Now we are waiting for the delivery. Thank you for sticking with me to lifestyle tutorials. Ensure you leave a thumbs up if you find the tutorial useful. Thank you.